देखिए, आज हमें सुबह 10 साढ़े 10 बजे ये इतला आई कि डीडीसी मावर खुर्शीद अहमद डार उन्होंने कुछ लोगों को जमा करके स्कूल के बच्चों को लेके इन कंप्लीट वायलेशन ऑफ मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट उसने एक पब्लिक पार्क का इनाग्रेशन किया है विदाउट सीकिंग प्रायर परमिशन ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिसर, विदाउट सीकिंग परमिशन ऑफ डिप्टी कमिश्नर कपवाड़ा और टेकिंग द कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट ऑन बोर्ड. दिस इज सीरियस वायलेशन ऑफ मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट and we will have slashed notes upon the TDC member to explain as to why action under rules may not be initiated to him against him. And हमने ECI इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया को, चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर को कॉपी की है, कॉपी टू रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर बारामूला 2 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी पार्लियामेंट लोकसभा और डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिसर को. तो दिस विल बी डेल्ट वेरी सीरियसली एंड एक्शन अगेंस्ट रूल्स shall be initiated against the DDC member for violation of the rules, for arrogating the powers and sidelining the district administration. In the model code of conduct, we have to give equal playing field to all the political parties. Maybe he is a political person, but he's a public representative. He cannot step into the shoes of a parallel government this time. Every action has to be taken with the prior permission of deputy commissioner, with the prior permission of the ARO, and he has seriously mishandled this situation, and he will be dealt seriously for this violation. Number 1. Number 2, in the meanwhile, we are searching out for any government employee involved in this action where a handful of some local peoples and school-going children, perhaps from government girls middle school in Mauer, Maradgram, which is nearby, and they have got students from that and inaugurated that on a children park. So this will not be tolerated at all, and he has to be accountable for this violation. District election officer has taken the serious notice of it. We are conveying it to one and all, and action against law shall be initiated for all such persons who arrogate powers or who step into the shoes of a parallel government, because after the notification for election of Lok Sabha has been issued on 16th of March 2022, all activities come to a standstill and no authority can inaugurate or kickstart any project without the prior consent of Election Commission of India or for that matter Chief Electoral Officer of the state or District Election Officer. So we have taken cognizance of it, and we inform and alarm all the political parties that you are meant for the conduct of